Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a head shaver. Let's check this thing out here, if I can open it. I don't even know how it opens. This is how it opens. Okay, looks like it's going to come out through there. Very tight seal. It's a nice box though, so solid. User manual. And that's it, head shaver in here. Let's see what this looks like. So this is it here. It's kind of fancy if I can look at that. It almost looks like a Bluetooth speaker. And it comes with, in here, we have a charger, which is going to charge from USB to USB-C. And then this is the device here. So it looks like that comes off there, and then that's where the thing's going to be. I'm not going to shave my head, but I'll try this on my beard here in a second. Let's just see what we got here. So this opens up here to get all our cleaning out when we have done it. And then this is there. So that's it now. So it's on. There's 100%. Clean new. So let's see what the different options are here. I guess that's on and off. And then if I hold it down, it goes like 3, 2, 1, whatever that is. Oh, that's like lock mode. Okay. So it has a lock mode, and there we go. So we are just at 100%. I guess that's the battery power. Let's just see. You know what? I shaved today. It's not going to do anything for me, but get the idea. It's that, and it looks pretty soft, and it's got a nice little flexible. I'm just going to turn it off so I don't shave my fingers. But you can see it's got a little flexible little outer shell here. It looks like it's all a single piece. So this whole thing just kind of moves around. So as you're doing your head, you've got that. Let's just look at the manual here and see if there's anything else we might have missed. Not really. But this is it here. If you need it, you could probably pause it and zoom in. And then there's the other side of it. So pretty cool. Nice little portable one, and I like the way it comes with this little case and the little thing here. You can see it's got the little magnets in it, so it magnetizes on the cover. And then you just put it in here. And, oops, dropped the little brush. It's got the little brush with the little thick side and thin side. Put that in there, zip it up. And look at that. This, you just stick this in your luggage or whatever, and you're good to go. So you can just always be well shaved on your head. So, cool little device, head shaver. So, pick up one of these. Thumbs up.